Hello everyone, welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today we are going to be making a really cute Play-Doh snail. So all you're going to need for this is some green Play-Doh, a Play-Doh knife, white Play-Doh, black Play-Doh, and of course some pink Play-Doh. Let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is to make the main body of the snail. We're going to do this out of green. It looks kind of like a slug without its shell, doesn't it? Let's fix that. I'm taking the pink Play-Doh and rolling it flat into a loop, like so. I'm doing the same with the white. I'm going to put them next to each other and then roll them around on themselves. This will make a perfect shell shape. Add it on top of our snail and give it some texture with the knife. Don't forget the detail. I'm doing 2 white eyes and a mouth, of course, and then a little bit of black. And there you have it, a super cute Play-Doh snail. Remember, you can use any colour you like. Get creative! So thank you very much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. If you have enjoyed the video, please do let us know in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel above, and we'll see you again very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!